Hello, and welcome to Tasteful Travels with Dad. I'm Jennifer, a geography teacher passionate about combining the world of spices with the joy of cooking, especially when it comes to sharing those experiences with kids. Today, we're diving into the world of global culinary cultures by exploring how to make cooking a bonding activity between fathers and their children. In just 10 minutes, we're going to talk about the adventure you can have right in your kitchen while teaching your kids about different cultures. The theme for today's episode is all about exploring global spices and dishes. Cooking is such a magical activity that not only nourishes the body, but also connects us to the world. When you approach cooking with your kids as a learning opportunity, it opens the door to discussing geography, culture, history, and the stories behind our food. It's a perfect hands-on way to teach and bond at the same time. Why is cooking such an effective bonding activity? Well, for one, it involves cooperation and family teamwork. Fathers who spend time in the kitchen with their kids often find that the shared experience of following recipes, measuring ingredients, and tasting flavors not only strengthens relationships, but also enhances communication skills in kids. It becomes even more enriching when aligned with learning themes like geography. Now let's travel the world by highlighting some continents and their unique spices. Considering the vibrant array of flavors, we have Asia with its fragrant curry powders and spicy Szechuan peppers. Moving over to Africa, you'll find Berber from Ethiopia or Tunisian harissa. In Europe, think about the mellow warmth of a Hungarian paprika or the floral allure of herbes de Provence from France. Each spice carries a story, a piece of history, which makes your cooking journey an educational one. For those looking to take the plunge, here are some simple yet authentic recipes you can try with your kids. Imagine crafting a basic chicken curry from India, where you can teach them about the spice trade routes. Or, how about making pasta from scratch while discussing Italy's geography and the influence of different regional climates on their dishes? Each meal becomes an opportunity to craft a narrative and make meaningful connections. Let's not forget the cultural significance behind each spice. For children, understanding that cinnamon was once more valuable than gold brings an exciting twist to the mundane task of measuring it into a dish. It encourages them to ask questions, to learn, and to truly appreciate what's on their plate and where it comes from. Cooking together should be fun and educational. Integrating geography into the process doesn't require complex resources. It can start with a simple globe or a map displayed in your kitchen. As you cook, encourage your child to locate each country where your spices originate. It's a visualization technique that embeds learning through sight, sound, and taste. Moreover, encourage creativity and adaptability in your kitchen adventures. For instance, if a recipe calls for a certain spice unavailable in your pantry, let your kids choose an alternative. This fosters problem-solving skills and shows how adaptable recipes can be throughout various cultures who've had to swap ingredients themselves over centuries. Here's a fun tip to make these cooking experiences more engaging. Organize a world cooking night at home. Each family member can choose a dish from a different continent to tackle, turning a regular dinner into an international feast. Add themed music or kitchen decorations to enhance the ambience, making it a multi-sensory learning party for everyone involved. Bringing children into the kitchen and involving them in preparing meals is a simple yet significant way to teach them about the world. It inspires curiosity and respect for diverse cultures far beyond any classroom setting. They begin to appreciate flavors they may not have loved initially because they had a hand in preparing them themselves. As we wrap up today's podcast, remember that these cooking adventures are more than meals. They are opportunities to spend quality time with your children, discover new cultures, and foster a lifelong curiosity and appreciation for geography. I hope you'll find confidence to turn your kitchen into a classroom, embarking on this tasty global journey together. Thank you for tuning in to Tasteful Travels with Dad. I hope you've enjoyed our exploration through spices and continents. Until next time, may your culinary journeys be adventurous and your bond with your children grow stronger with each flavorful dish you create together. Safe travels and happy cooking.